Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 3 for Earth Science fourth quarter. Hope all of you are well. So before we start, I wanted to share a little fun. This particular video was shared to me by True. Thank you, True. I hope you enjoy this timely and still humorous video about our current situation. You will have to pause this slideshow video and then go back into Google Classroom to open the link in order to watch the video because for whatever reason I just can't get it to play in this format. So I'm going to pause here. Again, stop for a second, go back into Google Classroom and click on the link I shared there. Okay, so after that little fun, we're going to get to our agenda for today. So we'll do our mindfulness. First of all, breathe in and out. And another deep breath in and out. And a third deep breath in and out. And then do your attitude of gratitude. Think of something you are grateful for. Okay, so continuing on in our agenda, for today's question of the day, again, I am not making you guys write these down, but I do still want you to think about them. So, what is a key idea that you will share about continental drift in your project? So that's the first of the three bigger pieces in our project. So think about something key you will share about continental drift. Today's daily funny. What kind of dogs love car racing? Lap dogs. Ha ha. Learning target. I will describe how I will represent continental drift in my chosen format. And when I say represent, remember, part of this project is to be creative and artistic. So you need to figure out a way to be creatively and artistically representing these various components. Norms for this lesson. I will commit to curiosity as I investigate and to craftsmanship as I do the work for my project. The terms remain the same: continental drift, seafloor spreading, and plate tectonics. What we did previously, what we're doing moving forward. So we began gathering ideas about continental drift, and we'll complete the details in whatever chosen format we have for this component today. And again, I need you to make sure you understand you need to have a creative and artistic way of including this in your project. So for our activities, we are continuing this project. We are continuing to gathering and putting together our ideas. And specifically, today's goal is to finish putting the first topic, which is continental drift, creatively and artistically into whatever format that you have chosen. Your wrap up, you should be able to tell how you are artistically and creatively representing the continental drift idea in your format. Also, for homework, make sure you've figured that out and make sure you have shared your Google folder with the subfolder just like I explained in the previous lesson. Okay, so this is today. You are continuing to gather and put together the ideas for the first topic, which is continental drift. Remember, you need to have this in your chosen format. Remember that you need to include information and images, artistic, creative influence about continental drift. And there are several components of continental drift that need to be included. These include explaining what continental drift is, explaining who created the hypothesis of continental drift and a little background on that person, and explaining the three types of evidence scientists may be using to prove continental drift. Okay, so focus on that either by yourself or with your partner. So make sure you have shared with me your folder with that subfolder, as was explained in yesterday's lesson. Again, reference the lesson 2 video as needed. Make sure you have figured out how you will artistically and creatively represent continental drift in your chosen format. Please contact me if you are confused or need some support. Again, my email is searingram@mapleton.us. Wishing you all the best. Hopefully things are going well for you.